Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a stable segment and exporting a sharp reference frame. This gives you a clear target to trace. Open your clip in an editor that supports masking or rotoscoping. Create a new mask on the first frame and roughly outline the subject. Keeping edges loose, you will refine them. Once done, step forward a few frames and key the mask so it follows basic motion. This early pass prevents heavy rework later and establishes tracking anchors for the detailed work ahead. Now, refine the mask while explaining why each adjustment matters. You track mask points frame by frame or use the software's tracking to follow movement. Automated tracking saves time but needs manual correction for limbs or hair. Tighten mask edges and add 0.5 to 3 pixel feathering to avoid hard cutouts. If background bleed appears, use small expand/contract adjustments and patch persistent artifacts with clone pixels or a hand-painted cleanup. Make sure to preview at full resolution so subtle errors become visible. You finish by compositing the mask subject onto the new background and explain the why. Matching light and color keeps the scene believable. Add a subtle light wrap and color spill suppression to blend edges and slightly blur the transition to mimic lens behavior. For persistent jitter or outlines, go back to adjacent keyframes and tweak mask timing or paint corrections. Don't assume a single pass fixes everything. One troubleshooting tip: if edges flicker, render a short test clip at full quality to identify which frames need micro adjustment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.